Hi everybody. Here I have an ACER AL1721 LCD screen, which simply appears not to power up. So you have a black screen and the power LED doesn't come up. That's the symptom. And yeah, so I already opened the case. This is not the story in this video here, how to open, but I wanted to show you my finding, and I think this problem is rather easy to repair. So after checking all the capacitors here on the power board by unsoldering them and measuring the capacity, I had a closer look at all the solder joints on the board, and I found that two connections were bad. So first one was this one here. That is basically the power in connector, so that was a loose connection here. And the second one, which was rather invisible, was this this coil here. And that coil was soldered with these two pins to the board. And one of these also had a bad contact and didn't make any contact at all, basically. But that was hardly visible when just looking and inspecting this with the eye. But nevertheless, I soldered these two solder points again, and now the screen comes up again, and I'm rather happy to have fixed that now. I must say I haven't found that really myself. I found a Chinese website where I found some hint that this is a general problem of the AL1721, and I will link that website below that video, and also the Google Translate link, because I do not speak Chinese very well, and therefore I use the Google Translate to read basically everything on that page. Okay, so that's it, folks, and have fun with your ACER TFT screen.